Welcome to our YouTube video, where we will dive into the exciting world of TesterUp.com and explore the numerous opportunities it offers for earning money. TesterUp.com is a leading platform that connects businesses with skilled testers who can provide valuable feedback and insights on their products. In this guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of getting started, optimizing your earning potential, and making the most out of this innovative platform. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig, TesterUp.com has something for everyone. Let's get started. To begin your journey on TesterUp.com, the first step is to create an account. Visit the website and sign up using your email address. Once registered, complete your profile by providing relevant information about your skills, experience, and areas of interest. A comprehensive profile increases your chances of being selected for testing opportunities. Exploring testing opportunities. TesterUp.com offers a wide range of testing opportunities across various industries, including software, websites, mobile apps, and more. Keep an eye on the platform's job board, where businesses post their testing projects. Read through project descriptions, requirements, and compensation details carefully. Apply only for the projects that align with your skills and interests to maximize your chances of selection. Nailing your testing assignments. Once you've been selected for a testing assignment, it's time to deliver exceptional results. Thoroughly test the product according to the provided instructions and guidelines. Pay attention to details and provide comprehensive feedback. Your insights are valuable to businesses looking to improve their products. Timely and high-quality submissions increase your reputation on the platform and lead to more opportunities in the future. Optimizing your earning potential. To maximize your earning potential on TesterUp.com, consider the following strategies. Build a strong reputation. Consistently deliver high-quality work to build a positive reputation on the platform. This can lead to higher-paying projects and long-term collaborations. Diversify your skills. Expand your testing skills by exploring different types of projects. This opens up a wider range of opportunities and increases your marketability. Stay updated. Keep yourself informed about the latest trends and technologies in the testing industry. This knowledge will give you an edge over other testers and allow you to provide valuable insights. Network and collaborate. Engage with fellow testers and professionals in the industry. Networking can lead to referrals, partnerships, and access to exclusive testing opportunities. Payment and withdrawal. TesterUp.com offers a straightforward payment system. Once you complete a testing assignment, the agreed-upon compensation is credited to your TesterUp account. You can request withdrawals once you reach the minimum payout threshold. Choose from various payment options provided by the platform, such as PayPal, bank transfers, or other available methods. Congratulations! You've now learned the essential steps to earn money on TesterUp.com. By following the strategies outlined in this guide, you can optimize your earning potential and unlock a world of opportunities in the testing industry. Remember to maintain professionalism, deliver high-quality work, and continuously improve your skills to stand out from the crowd. TesterUp.com is your gateway to a flexible and rewarding income stream. Start exploring the platform today and embark on an exciting journey toward financial success. Happy testing! Thank you for joining us on this journey of exploring various online earning opportunities. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. Remember, the internet has opened up a world of possibilities for making money online. Whether it's through freelancing, affiliate marketing, creating your own online business, or any other method we discussed, the key is to take action and stay persistent. Don't be discouraged by initial setbacks or challenges. Building a successful online income stream takes time and effort. But with dedication and a willingness to learn, you can achieve your financial goals. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so you never miss an update on new online earning strategies and success stories. We're here to support you every step of the way. If you have any questions or suggestions for future video topics, please leave them in the comments section below. We love hearing from our viewers and value your input. Remember, online earning is not just about making money. It's about gaining financial independence, pursuing your passions, and creating a life of freedom and flexibility. So go out there, explore the endless possibilities, and start your journey towards online success. Together, we can unlock the potential of the digital world and create a brighter future. Thank you once again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.